my new queen a wedding gift.
Something is badly wrong. Run! Oh my God! Show. What is wrong? What is wrong? What is wrong? Why did this family has to suffer? Like they always suffer.
The king in the north arises.
Lord Walter! Lord Walter, enough! Let it end! He is my son. My first son. Let him go, and I swear we will forget this. I swear it by the all gods and you. We will take no vengeance.
You already swore me one oath right here in my castle. You swore by all the gods your son would marry my daughter.
And I'm watching this on my birthday.
Get up and walk out. Please.
Mother.
Oh God. Oh my God.
Elena's just
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
I owe my new queen a wedding gift.
I knew it, bro.
Let him go, or I will cut your wife's throat.
She's not playing either. Is he even gonna live?
I'll find another.
Cut his old throat. Elena's just send their regards.
What? 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 Are you serious? No, they really didn't do Rob like that for real. They really did, Rob. They gonna do her like that too.
My question is, bro, where did that dude even come from, bro?
Oh no! Oh no! Oh my gosh! No! 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 Oh my gosh! This shit was too happy, nigga.
Bro, damn, I would never guess that he would have bodied her like that.
First thing he did was go to the baby, bro.
Lord Walter! Lord Walter, enough! Let him go, your wife's throat.
I'll find another.
Oh, I know it.
Mother.
The Lannisters send their regards.
Oh. Did I really? Yo, what?
Oh shit! Still slit his throat, nigga. Ah! Nah, that's up. That's how they killed him. That's how they killed him. There was no music in the background, just straight silence, and that's how the episode's gonna end too. That's the most. I'm good, man. I'm good. I don't know what the show is.
Yo.
I don't know what the show is, nigga. I don't know.
Yo.
I don't know.
I need like a moment to just walk away and reevaluate my life.
My king has married, and I owe my new queen a wedding gift.
Rob! No! Are you serious right now? No! No! No, she's right here! She's literally feet from them! No! Oh my god! Why? Really? Just because he didn't marry the Frey girl? Is that why? Is she gonna let the wolf out? Oh god, this is not fair, you guys. This is just too f***ed up for me. I can't.
It's too late.
No, let her see. Let her in on. No. No.
And
He doesn't care about anyone, man.
let him go, and I swear that we will forget this.
She's doing everything she can.
Get up and walk out, please.
She's just trying to save her son.
The Lannisters send their regards.
What the f? This is it. You guys, all because of that. It's not her fault, but it's all because of that nurse.
King has married, and I owe my new queen a wedding gift.
Rob!
Oh my god! He doesn't care.
On my honor as a Tullich, on my honor as a Stark, let him go, or I will cut your wife's throat.
I'll find another.
Yeah.
Mother.
Let's just send their regards.
What the f do we do now? What the actual just happened?
My king has married, and I owe my new queen a wedding gift.
I knew him being there.
Rob!
Rob is bad. No. Oh my god! Stop! You're actually lying to me. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What is going on? Oh my god! I can't. It was all too good. I can't believe we actually just killed them all. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. That didn't just happen. No, 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 no.
The king in the north arises.
Oh my God.
One more late enough, please. He is my son. My first son. Let him go and I swear I will not forget this.
I am in shock. I am in disbelief that this is happening.
You already swore me one oath right here in my castle.
I knew he forgave it too easy.
Take me for a hostage, but let Rob go. Rob, get up. Get up and walk out. Please. Please.
And why would I let him do that?
He doesn't even care.
Let him go, or I will cut your wife.
I can't handle it. I'm actually in disbelief and shock.
I'll find another.
The Lannisters send their regards.
Oh my God. Nah,
No.
dude. That is way too far. This show is messed up. Is that her?
Yeah, was that hers? I can't remember now. Nymeria?
Hang on, did everyone just die, dude? Like, Catelyn,
Oh, the wolf.
Rob, no way, dude.
Rob's already broken.
Let him go, or I will cut your wife's throat.
I'll find another.
No.
Mother.
The Lannisters send their regards.
Oh.
He was a Lannister. No way, dude.
I can't.
Holy crap.
I can't breathe. What? Can we end this episode?
My new queen a wedding gift.
What the hell's going on?
No. No! No! No!
What the
The Lannisters send their regards.
I'm shaking right now. Oh my god.
What's wrong with his hand?
Gift.
Oh, yeah.
Bridget, it's a trap.
Yep.
Does he know what's happening? Is he confused? Oh god, he's...
Oh my fucking god. I don't want to watch the show anymore. I can't do this anymore.
It's over.
And why would I let him do that?
Let him go, or I will cut your wife's throat.
He doesn't care.
I'll find another.
Mother.
The Lannisters send their regards.
No shit. No ways. No!
This was really disturbing and saddest scene from the show Game of Thrones season 3 episode 9, and these YouTuber reactors were literally just got emotional and crying and yelling and screaming because of this moment when they all being killed, man. Absolutely disturbing for all these YouTubers, because these YouTubers were being invested in the entire show and they are loving these characters, but right now they are no more. So this is the beauty of Game of Thrones, where you see thrilling moments, such kind of moments where it's really sad as moment, man, action packed and many other things. So this show is absolutely beyond the imagination, man. There are so many things full of fantasy things, and these kind of enemy, friendship, feelings, emotions, and many things to watch in this Game of Thrones, and I'm a biggest fan of such kind of show. Shocked audiences worldwide, leading to widespread reactions and discussions. It has been analyzed extensively for its storyline, storytelling, and impact on viewers. Absolutely love it, man. Really enjoyed through the video with all the YouTubers. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe all the YouTubers and visit their channel for full reaction. Watch this show, season 3, episode 9. Also subscribe our channel. Keep supporting, keep watching. Thank you, love you, God bless.